How to place a limit order when trading crypto on Binance or Bybit or many of the other trading platforms. They all offer limit orders. So what we need to do is come to the professional trading screen of these platforms. So on Binance, we can come to trade and then spot market. You can use limit orders if you're trading futures as well. But if you come to trade, you want the professional trading screen here, and then you can choose the asset that you want to trade and actually put your limit orders in. When placing a limit order, we need to tell the system how much we want to trade and the price that we want to trade at. So if you've got this type of layout, just come down here and make sure to click limit order. If you've got a right-hand sided layout, it's the same. You just need to choose limit order up here, and then we can choose if we're a buyer or seller. So the two things we need to tell the system are what is the price we want to trade at and how much do we want to trade. So we can choose the price like this. Now, if you're a buyer, you put limit orders in below the mid price. And if you're a seller, you put limit orders in above the mid price. So we are going to put an order in for 20,000. That means that we are buying Bitcoin right here at a price of 20,000 per Bitcoin. You don't need to buy an entire Bitcoin though. So let's put 0.005 and it works out exactly how much you're going to spend. Or you can either just say, I want to spend $250 at this price, and it's going to work out how much BTC you're actually buying. The important thing to know about a limit order is that it's just an instruction to the system to trade a certain amount at a certain price, and you can still get a bad trade if you input the wrong amount and price. So as we can see here, if we're a buyer of BTC, which is currently trading at 100, we can put in a limit order below the current price at 99. We are not going to trade until the price of BTC falls to 99, and then we can trade with our limit order because that's the maximum we can pay. If, however, we put in a limit order of 101 and Bitcoin is currently trading at 100, we are going to get the best available price at the time. So we won't pay 101, that is our maximum price. If the price is now 100, we'll actually pay 100. So that's essentially a market order at this stage. So as we can see here, if I put an order in for 25,000, I'm actually essentially using a market order here because my limit price is above the mid price. And so you will actually get this price right here, whatever the best price is that can be attained when you press that buy button. On the opposite side, if you want to sell, you can put a limit order above the current price, because what we want to do is use that limit to sell our Bitcoin a little bit higher than the mid price. So again, if you're a seller, it's the opposite way around. If Bitcoin is trading at 100 and your limit order is 99, you're saying you're willing to accept 99. The current price is 100, which is better. And so you'll go through essentially as a market order. Or you can say my limit is 101. You then won't get filled until the price of Bitcoin moves up to 101. So we can put in a sell limit here. Let's say we want to sell at 24,000. We can do that and sell the amount of BTC that we want. And that would go through sell BTC. But it wouldn't go through yet because it's above the current mid price. If we put in a price of 20,000, as you can see here, we would trade at the best possible price that's currently being traded in the market. Here is an example of inputting those limit orders. I have a buy price of 20,000 for Bitcoin. I'm going to press buy right here, and that enters onto the system down here. I'm also going to sell some BTC with a limit order of 25,000, $100 worth, sell BTC, and you can see that here. Now, both of my limit orders are away from the current price and so cannot be traded right now, but you can see the details of your trade in your open orders. You can see the order type and you can see the side that you're on. Now, you can edit these on Binance as well, so just click here. And you can edit the price and the amount that you're trading very easily for those orders. As you can see, we can also see the amount that's filled because we may get a partial fill, 50% or whatever, and then the total amount of the order. If you want to cancel these orders, just on the right hand side, just above my head here, you can't see it, but on the right hand side, we can just cancel them both, and then those orders are out the system. Also, a note on trading fees when using limit orders. Some crypto exchanges incentivize users to input limit orders into their systems rather than trading market orders. The reason being is that limit orders create liquidity in an order book because your orders will fill the order book around the current mid price, giving liquidity and depth to the order book. And that is something that trading systems want. And so they may incentivize you to use limit orders rather than market orders. As you can see, Binance for most people do not incentivize either way. You have the same trading fees, but if you are a VIP or you trade higher amounts, you actually start getting rebates and discounts for using limit orders known as maker rather than market orders known as taker. Maker taker, because if you're using a limit order, you are making liquidity on the order book. You are a maker of liquidity and you're getting those incentives. Now for Bybit as well, you can see they start giving incentives when you're in VIP 1 tier or trading a larger amount. And if you're using futures as well, you actually get these rebates most of the time as well. You can see many different trading exchanges. You'll see the maker orders are often a little bit cheaper. So limit orders are better if you're paying fees as well. Check out the deposit bonuses to many of these trading exchanges in the description as well. I'm James with MoneyZG. Cheers for watching and I'll see you in the next one.